Sri Tharman Shanmugaratnam is on a 4-day state visit to India. This is his first state visit to India after being elected the President of Singapore in September 2023. He is, of course, no stranger to India. In fact, he knows India very well. He takes great interest in the Indo-Singapore relationship as well as in India's economic development. He has had very close relations with our leadership. If you recall, in 2016, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi had invited him to deliver the inaugural address, Niti Aayog speech on transforming India, where the entire cabinet and the senior bureaucracy of India was present. And over the years, he has been time. So in a way, this was a culmination of his association with India, and that too on the 60th year of our diplomatic relations. So the President is accompanied by his spouse, Mrs. Jane Itogi, as well as 2 ministers and 3 members of Parliament, and also senior officials and a business delegation. As I said, this is the state visit to commemorate 60 years of our diplomatic relations. It was in 1965 that Singapore was born as an independent nation, and India was one of the first countries to have recognized Singapore, a fact that is acknowledged very much by the Singaporean leadership. During this visit, the President was accorded a ceremonial welcome at Rashtrapati Bhavan by the President of India, as well as the Prime Minister, and members of the Cabinet were present and senior officials. He then proceeded to lay a wreath at the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Then he had a series, then External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar called on His Excellency. Yesterday, there was also a series of meetings that he had with several ministers. As many as 5 cabinet ministers called on him, ministers in different fields, Minister for IT, Minister for Roads and Highways, Finance Minister, Minister for Skill Development, and others, and of course Minister for Commerce and Industry. This was followed in the evening by talks between the President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, and the visiting President, where they covered a wide swath of bilateral areas of interest and cooperation, and a meeting with the Prime Minister where they discussed India's development and Singapore's development, and how India and ASEAN countries provide the growth engine for Asia and in many respects for the world, and how our bilateral cooperation with countries of ASEAN can really be a growth engine for the world. A banquet was hosted by Her Excellency Srimati Draupadi Murmu, the Honorable President of India. Today,